There have been many terrible events from 2016 to 2020, like pandemics, war, and natural disasters. So, to know all these facts, please watch this video until the end. And also, if you have not watched the first part of this video, that is worst event from 2011 to 2015, you can check that out. The link is given in the description below. But first, welcome to Amazing Facts. In today's episode, we are going to discuss the worst events from 2016 to 2020. 2016, Eastern Aleppo falls. In 2016, the Syria war still continued and get worse. The northern Syrian country of Aleppo was caught in a brutal 4-year war. It was a key battleground in the war between forces and rebels who wanted to overthrow him. In November, Syrian government forces launched a renewed assault and rapidly retook almost all of the rebellions. By mid-December, they had pushed the rebels into just a few neighborhoods. Tens of thousands of civilians fled from cities. The UN said it had received allegations that hundreds of men had gone missing since crossing into government-controlled areas. On 15 December, the warring sides reached an agreement to end the fighting, and on 22 December, the government declared it had taken full control of the city. Following days of evacuations, Aleppo's fall does not end the Syrian civil war, which has killed as many as 500,000 people and forced another 11 million people from their homes. Aleppo was also the most important city in Syria, but still was crushed into pieces. Aleppo was once Syria's largest city with a population of about 2.3 million. It was also country's industrial and financial center. 2017, Rohingya crisis. Rohingya is one of the most persecuted minority groups in the world. They have lived in Myanmar for centuries. Most of them are Muslims and some are Hindus, in a country where 9 out of every 10 are Buddhists. The Rohingyas have long been discriminated against, and the Myanmar government refuses to acknowledge them as citizens. The worst surge of violence began in August when Rohingya began escaping into neighboring Bangladesh, telling stories of mass killings, systematic rapes, and torture. At last count, more than 400,000 people have fled Myanmar and thousands have been displaced internally. The Myanmar military denies committing acts of brutality, insisting that it is defending against attacks on police posts and insurgents. Restrictions on movements and lack of access to basic healthcare have led to these terrible conditions for those displaced by earlier waves of violence in 2012 and 2016. 2018, Tsunami of Indonesia. Here we have another natural disaster, the Tsunami of Indonesia. On September 28, 2018, a magnitude of 7.5 earthquake struck Indonesia's central Sulawesi province, triggering a tsunami and landslides that caused widespread destruction and loss of life. More than 2,000 people were known to have died, and approximately 4,400 were seriously injured. About 1.5 million people in central Sulawesi are likely affected, with about 68,000 houses damaged or destroyed. Hundreds of thousands of people are still displaced. After this, tsunami again struck western Java and southern Sumatra Islands during the evening of December 22, 2018. More than 400 people were reported dead. The tsunami was likely to be caused by undersea landslides in Sunda Strait following an eruption by the Anak Krakatoa volcano. Also, after all this, the central Sulawesi quake occurred less than 2 months after a series of earthquakes struck Indonesia's Lombok Island. More than 500 people were killed and nearly 1,500 were injured. 2019, Mozambique disaster. Cyclone Idai made landfall over Mozambique on March 14 as a Category 2 storm. Its heavy rains and strong winds led to flash flooding, hundreds of deaths, and massive destruction of property and crops. Less than 6 weeks later, on April 25th, Cyclone Kenneth hit the area. Idai and Kenneth were 2 of the most 5 worst storms to ever hit Mozambique. In total, 1,000 people were killed, and an unprecedented amount of damage was caused. Catastrophic flooding from the 2 storms affected close to 2.2 million people in Mozambique, Zimbabwe, and Malawi. Cyclones Idai and Kenneth hitting in March and April near harvest time contributed to a food crisis in Mozambique and the broader region. 2020. At last in 2020, you might have guessed it right. We have a global pandemic COVID-19 on our list. If you want to know about the history of pandemics before COVID-19, you can see the video by clicking the I button. Another disease originating in Wuhan, China from the wet market had adversely affected the whole world. Have you ever thought why most of the viruses are originated in China? If you want to know why, we have made an interesting video on this, which you can watch after this video. Currently, due to this virus, whole world is under lockdown for more than 3 months, and the vaccine is still not discovered. Currently, This virus has affected 7,166,286 people and has killed 407,348 people with a mortality rate of approximately 3%. The USA is the most affected country from this virus, and still nothing can be predicted when all this is going to be over. And the only thing we can do is to follow government instructions, maintaining social distance and sanitizing ourselves from time to time. So do you know any other worst events from 2011 to 2020? And also, if you have not watched first part of this video, link is given below in the description. If you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if you have liked this video, give a thumbs up. And thanks for watching and take care until we meet again.